guys, this is Futureboy and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you while loop function in Python. This is also very important function. So this is this function you use many times, because this function this function is do. This function, like you have you have give anyone give a one task and he was saying please add some features in this task who running again and again and again. While loop is best in this, because why while loop? Because while loop is loop, he was running in loop, he was a loop. Okay, so he was doing her job again and again and again. Okay, so let's do it how is work. Okay, so guys, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials like machine learning and artificial intelligence and many more. Okay, so let's do it. Open a ideally, and after opening a ideally, click on file, then click on new file, then cut it off, and then like you have a firstly you want to like you have a function like input. You have any variable, like I am name a variable name equal to, please enter your name, and then okay, so this was my variable name input. I will add a input function, so user input her name. Okay, so I will printing my name, so I will save it. While loops, so desktop, save it while loop, and then save, click on run, and here you see please enter your name. I will enter my name, and then he was closed. So I want to, because program is closed, here you will type a name, he was not running because program is closed. So I want to my program is running. After I type a name, program is again running automatic. I don't want to hit a F5 and run. So how we'll do this? So in this case we use while loops. So where while loops we create, so here in while loops we do anything. So while true, sorry, there is wrong thing. So while all things are true, then this all things were, and this all things is happen correctly. So save it with Control S and then run it. So type your name, you see this again, he was program is running. Like I will type another name, series, this was running. Okay, series it was running, guys. Okay, so you anytime you run, he was running. But how he was I want to only run 4 and 5 times. So how will do this? So after you type here break, and then like you will do anything. Okay, type a name after you break this. Okay, so this is happening while loops. We learn you learn while loops completely. You create many types of program. Okay, so this is while loop, this is short while loop. In coming tutorials we will I will teach you deep while loop. So let's create a program who this program is running a like you will many times heard how to create a infinite loop. Okay, so like while true, and then while true will type print hello world, and now he is this program is a infinite loop. Run it, and now you will see this, he was running hello world, hello world, hello world. He was absolutely running, guys. You will see this, you are running, you want to close, then close with here. Okay, so this end event also close with, okay, I will teach a like 1. Okay, now run, and after running you will see this 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 1 1 and 1. So this is while loop, guys. Okay, you want to close it, type hit control plus C, he was running, close. So this is while loop, guys. In coming tutorials I will teach you deep while loops. I will do this roll the dice program, roll dice program, area finder programs, many other programs. Okay, guys. So firstly you will practice it, because you don't practice, you don't know about this type of while loops and if and else function. So please practice, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials like machine learning and ML and AI, artificial intelligence, and many others. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel, and have a nice day.